Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement HVAC Blower Motor Resistor. This HVAC blower motor resistor works on the 2009 to 2017 Ford Expedition and Lincoln Navigator, along with the 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150, all of which need to be equipped with the dual zone automatic temperature control system. What your HVAC blower motor resistor does is this controls the fan speed in your AC and heating system, and if you cannot change the airspeed with your controls or the system is not blowing correctly, chances are you'll need a new one of these. While this HVAC blower motor resistor is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct replacement, thanks to the factory mounting locations and, of course, the OEM electrical connector. However, this unit does have a redesigned circuit board with improved heatsink fins for extended life. Installation of this replacement HVAC blower motor resistor is easy and something you could do yourself. First, locate the existing resistor, which is on the right side behind the glove box on the passenger side of your truck. Then unplug, remove the screws, and install the new one in the reverse order. If you have any questions about this replacement HVAC blower motor resistor, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.